everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make these easy Halloween snacks. We will be making some monster spaghetti, some mummy hot dogs, finger food, alien deviled eggs, and some eyeball deviled eggs. First, we're going to make our deviled eggs. Begin by boiling your eggs for 10 to 15 minutes. When you have finished boiling your eggs, crack the shell on your eggs without removing it. Make sure to not crack the shell too much. I think I overdid it on some of these. When you finish cracking the shell on your boiled eggs, place them inside a Ziploc bag. Then add some water and some black food coloring. Then seal the Ziploc bag and coat your eggs in the black food coloring and water. Let it sit in that mixture for a minute or so and then remove it from the bag. Once you remove the eggs from the bag, remove the shell. Then cut your eggs in half. Your egg should have a really cool design on it. Remove the yolks from your eggs and then place them in a bowl. Next, mash your yolks. Now add 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, a 1/2 teaspoon of mustard, two to 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/8 or 1/4 cup of sweet relish. I usually don't measure my ingredients when making deviled eggs. This is a guess as to how much I thought I put in it, so I'd suggest measuring to your taste. I boiled a few extra eggs to use for my eyeball deviled eggs. Then I added some of the filling to those eggs. With the rest of the filling, I added some green food coloring. Once you finish adding your green food coloring, place your filling into a piping bag. This is easier done if you place your piping bag in a cup first. Now pipe your filling into your egg. I piped it kind of messy to make it look like slime oozing out of an alien egg. And that's it, you are all finished with your alien deviled eggs. Now, taking the deviled eggs from before, we're going to make our eyeball deviled eggs. We're going to use an olive that has been cut in half as the pupil. Then, using a toothpick dipped in red food coloring, we're going to draw on the veins on the white part of our deviled egg. And that's it, you're totally finished with your eyeball deviled eggs. Next, we're going to make our finger food. Bring a pot filled with water to a boil. Then add your hot dogs. Then boil your hot dogs for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now, cut an onion in half. Then cut your onion into a few thick slices, depending on how many hot dogs you're going to be making. Take one of the layer slices of the onion and cut those into small squares. Then, using some scissors, take a piece of your onion and cut it into a fingernail shape. Repeat this process until you have enough onion fingernails for each of your hot dogs. When you're finished, place all your onions in a small bowl. Once your hot dogs are finished cooking, cut them in half. Going back to the onions, we're going to place a little water in the bowl that you added your onions in, and then place them in the microwave for about 15 seconds. Next, we're going to take our hot dog and cut a square into the end of it, big enough to place our onion on the inside. After you've cut a shallow square into your hot dog, add some ketchup and then add your onion. Next, cut some lines into your hot dog. Then I use my scissors to cut the end of the hot dog to make it look more jagged and torn up. Repeat this process with all your hot dogs. And that's it, you're all finished with your finger food. Now we're going to make our mummy dogs. Open a packet of croissant dough. Then unroll your dough. Then cut your dough into thin slices. Now take an uncooked hot dog and wrap your thin slices of croissant dough around it. Keep wrapping your hot dog until it is almost completely covered. Make sure to leave a space at the top of your hot dog for your mummy eyes. Repeat this process until you've made your desired amount of mummy dogs. When you're finished, place your mummy dogs on a baking sheet. Then cook in the oven at 375 degrees for 13 to 17 minutes. Once your mummy dogs have finished cooking and they're golden brown, use some mustard to draw on some eyes. And that's it, you've finished making your mummy dogs. Last but not least, we will be making our monster spaghetti. In a large pan over medium heat, add some olive oil. Then add the ground meat of your choice. I'm using ground turkey meat. Then add your seasonings. I added seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, Creole, and pepper. Oh, and Italian seasoning. Then cook your ground meat until it is browned. Once your ground meat has cooked, add the tomato sauce of your choice. Mix your sauce into your meat. When you're finished, set your sauce to the side. Then, in a large pot filled with water, add some salt and a half a teaspoon of black food coloring. Once the food coloring is mixed into the water, bring your water to a boil and then add your noodles. Cook your noodles for however long the box says to. Once your noodles have finished cooking, drain the water from the pot. Your noodles should look like this. Next, add your noodles to a plate. Then add your sauce. After that, add 2 olives for eyes. Then, using some shredded Parmesan cheese, create a mouth. After that, you have finished making your monster spaghetti. After you finish making all of your Halloween snacks, you can go ahead and plate them up. And this is the finished result. These little snacks are easy to make and would be great for parties. They're delicious and they're fun to eat and make. I'm really happy with how these came out, especially the spaghetti. Mom said everything I cooked looked scary, and I was like, that is exactly the point. So I know I did a good job. The finger hot dogs and the mummy dogs looked great and tasted good, and I ate all the deviled eggs after I finished filming. There were none left. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. I hope everyone has a safe and happy Halloween.